Infectious disease experts say that a new Omicron subvariant is more transmissible than the original was. New research is showing that it's already accounting for at least half of new cases this week. Fox 40's Zach Boetto has been digging into this. He's joining us live in the studio tonight. And Zach, I know that you found out that some of the cases of that subvariant of Omicron have already been traced here pretty close to home in Yolo County.
Eric, Yolo County health officials tell me they've already detected 4 cases of the new COVID-19 Omicron subvariant BA.2. And experts say it's around 50% more contagious than the first Omicron variant. Just as cases across California were beginning to decline from a mid-January peak, a new COVID-19 Omicron subvariant has mutated and made its way to Northern California.
The concern with this new strain is it has 28 unique mutations that are different from the original Omicron strain, and it appears that that makes it about 50% more transmissible.
You might hear it referred to as BA.2, which mutated from the original Omicron variant known as BA.1. The state health department says 26 cases have been reported in California, with 4 cases discovered in Yolo County.
COVID is here, Omicron is here, BA.1, BA.2. It doesn't really matter, and they're both very infectious, and so we need to take additional precautions to protect ourselves right now.
New cases of the virus peaked in Yolo County on January 9th with 238 cases per 100,000 residents per day. New data shows a decline to 145.5 cases per 100,000 residents per day. However, there is concern the new subvariant could slow the decline in cases or even cause infections to go back up. Experts say data coming out of Denmark shows it's more contagious among the younger population.
In Denmark, about half the patients that are admitted to the hospital are under 40 years of age, whereas before we were mostly concerned with people who were older individuals over 65 years of age. And it's really alarming in terms of children that the highest hospitalization rate is children from birth to 2 years of age.
So concerned about the potential spread among students and staff, Sacramento City Unified School District held this vaccination clinic this evening at the Cerna building. People from the area and neighboring counties waited in line to get their booster shots, some just finding out about BA.2.
Actually, I haven't even heard of it yet. It seems as if a new variant crops up every week. So I think the very best that we can do is do everything we can now to protect for the variant that's out there, and hopefully it'll keep moving on and work its way out to where we can control it.
People doing everything they can to protect themselves, their loved ones, and those around them.
Hi.
Because the variant is still so new, lots more research needs to be done in order to have a better understanding of it and how it spreads. But we know the same health guidelines apply. Live in the studio, Zach Boetto, Fox 40.
Zach, thank you.